case of shirt, as soon as you brought that shirt to your flat, you get a feedback. Same as with the speech. You get methods for improvement. Remember that friend who suggested you should have gone to X, Y, Z? It builds in self-esteem. Even if you wear a shirt, you get an appreciation. Oh, such a nice shirt. And same is the case with your speech. It always leaves a lasting impression on our audience. Now, how do we make an evaluation effective? How do we make sure that since evaluation is so much important, it should go in the right way? So the first point is meet the speaker before the speech. And the way I would like to put it in my own story, meet the waiter before you chew. Let's assume you went to a restaurant with your friends, and unfortunately, the turn to treat others is yours. Now, since you have financial constraints and concerns, it is your obligation to meet the waiter before the treat begins. Remember that Airtel हर एक friend जरूरी होता है advertisement. So let your concerns be known beforehand. And now, for example, if a speaker is giving his P1, the only objective he has is to remove his stage fear. He's forgotten to organize his speech. So let that concern be known to the evaluator. And as for the evaluator part, it is his or her obligation to read the manual, to understand the objectives of the manual, to see what all evaluation guidelines are there, and to ask if a speaker is having any other concern, if he wants feedback on any other particular part. The next in line for an evaluator to become an effective evaluator is show that you are interested in listening to the speech. Put yourself in the position of the speaker and then listen to it carefully. Take notes. Use the available tools for speech evaluation. First is analyze the speech on the speech development part. That is, first is the opening, then the body, and then the conclusion. Go beyond and analyze the effectiveness of speech, which is achievement of a purpose, whether the speech is achieving the laid down objectives. Look at it at the pauses, vocal variety, body language. These are all tools that help me evaluate it on coming down to a certain conclusion as far as the speech is concerned. The third point is always and always personalize your language, because no matter how determined and convinced you feel about the speech and speaker, it is your personal feeling. Always use I feel, what I saw, because the audience may or may not agree with you. So always personalize. Even maybe the speaker doesn't agree with you. The next point is evaluate the speech, not the person. Always see what all things a speaker has incorporated in speech. Do not be prejudiced. Do not go by perception. Analyze what is at that moment. The next is promote self-esteem of the speaker. Never ever let the speaker feel low in self-esteem. Give honest and sincere praise. Because remember, we are all here to grow. Now moving on, we see, so what is the right approach to do an evaluation? Let me narrate few examples as to how an evaluation goes. What are all things which are involved if at all an evaluation goes wrong? Let's assume a speaker prepared his speech in his last minute. He is not sure whether he has delivered a nice speech. He walks down and sits at his place. And the gentleman, the evaluator, comes on stage and starts and reads out his evaluation.
Public speaking is tough. It's tougher when you don't prepare, and toughest when you don't want to prepare. The speaker lacked enthusiasm.